There are two kinds of cosmopolitanism.
황민 선생님께 영어 제시문을 어떻게 뽑아내는지 영어 강사는 모르는 비법을 배우고 합격했습니다.
One is the idea that we have obligations to others. Obligations that go beyond those to whom we are related by the ties of families and friends, or even the more formal ties of a shared citizenship. The other is that we take seriously the value not just of human life but of particular human lives, which means seriously accepting the significance of the cultural practices and beliefs from particular human lives. People are different, the cosmopolitan knows, and there is much to learn from our differences, because there are so many human possibilities worth exploring. We neither expect nor desire that every person or every society should integrate into a single mode of life. Whatever our obligations are to others are theirs to us. They often have the right to go their own way. There will be times when these two ideals, universal concern and respect for legitimate difference, clash. There is a sense in which cosmopolitanism is the name, not of the solution but of the challenge. For instance, we agree that more aid to an extremely poor country is a good thing. But government officials in relatively rich countries need to consider their own trade and immigration policies in order to support their industries at home. A citizen of the world, how far can we take that idea? Are you really supposed to give up all local loyalties and attachments in the name of humanity? Some supporters of cosmopolitanism were pleased to think so, but they often became easy targets of ridicule and were blamed for rootless cosmopolitanism, a lover of humankind but a hater of his family. Edmund Burke said of Jean-Jacques Rousseau, who handed each of his 5 children to an orphanage. Yet, the ideal version of the cosmopolitan belief has continued to hold a strong fascination. Virginia Woolf once argued freedom from unreal loyalty as to nation, school, neighborhood, and on. Some contemporary philosophers have similarly urged that the boundaries of nations are morally irrelevant accidents of history, with no rightful claim on our conscience. But, fortunately, we need to take sides neither with the nationalist who abandons all foreigners, nor with the strict cosmopolitan who regards her friends and fellow citizens with cold fairness. The position worth defending might be called a rooted cosmopolitanism, which pursues universal values of world citizens, being grounded upon the differences in the lives of individuals, regions, and nations.